Welcome to Carmine's Garage. What we have here is a 1973 MG Midget. And I just picked this up during the winter, and it wasn't running at the time. The car hasn't run in 15 years. The engine, hold on a second. The engine and transmission were removed, and it's been fitted with a new Weber downdraft carburetor, 2-barrel, and it has a new intake manifold. And we're going to try to start it now for the first time in 15 years. I've installed a new choke, so we're going to pull out the choke. And we have a new fuel regulator adjusted to 2.5 psi filter. I haven't completed the installation of the power for the filter, so I had to rig it. Just got to hook up the battery real quick, and then we'll try to start it and see if she starts. Alright, we got the we have the fuel pump on, and we'll try to see what happens. Gotta give it a little gas. And here it goes. Some gas. Okay. Goes. Start it right up. Look at that oil pressure is close to 80 pounds. Let it warm up a little bit. That's it for today. We'll get back to you.